'cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you, and my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to.
Say morning, Craig. Morning. Jenny's not there. Say morning, Jenny.
Morning.
Cases are packed all by the door. Just had to repack this one. Look how stressed he is.
I stress sugar, I don't know if you know.
We got loads of time. Do you have more watches?
No.
Oh, okay.
I think it's upstairs.
Oh, I don't mind.
I wouldn't bank on that. You don't want any of your timelines?
True.
Do you want your Pandora?
No, I got time on. We're going on a trip in our favourite rocket ship.
Deep into the skies.
Little Marveliers.
I'm not stressed now because we're on the first step of the journey.
So we're driving to the train station now to get on a train. To get off the train, to get on a train, to get off the train.
To get on a plane.
To get on a plane.
To get in a car, to get in the hood.
To get to a theme park.
To buy Heat magazine.
People travel for miles.
To buy Heat magazine!
People travel for miles to meet the mouse.
It's the annual commute.
It's a cult.
It's an annual commute.
What do they call it? It's our pilgrimage, that's what it is.
It's our pilgrimage.
But yeah.
Things that people do for the mouse.
Craig's stressed and it's hilarious.
I'm not so stressed now. I just need food.
Okay. Bye. Seriously. So Nathan's gone to get breakfast, and future Nathan, I'm very sorry that I keep snapping at you, I'm just very stressed. So here we are, in Birmingham. Our train's going to Carlisle, and then we go to Crewe. From Crewe we go somewhere else, and then we go to Manchester. It's a very long one, but Sunday service is a pain. So we're on the third train of the morning.
Yeah.
We forgot to vlog the first two, to be fair.
Very stressing.
Good. The second one was only like a few minutes long, just like this one.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Can I burn your vlog?
Yeah.
Hi YouTube.
Delirium is starting to set in.
This is lack of more coffee.
What's your vlog about?
Theme park.
Theme parks. No theme parks in Manchester. Did you know that?
Yeah. Can't even with it. I'm allowed back in the vlog. Jenny is getting us coffee. We just sit looking at the seating plan and we're sitting in the middle of the plane. But I think hopefully we'll have the 4 seats to ourselves so we can spread out between the 3 of us. I'm interviewing Nathan from Marvel at the Magic. Nathan.
Not talking to you.
Fine.
Because I don't like you.
Oh.
My Starbucks for the holiday.
I'm in it too.
No one likes you?
Everyone likes me. Hi everyone.
Hi.
What did you have? Yeah, she is. They're just patching the hole. Shut up, Craig. Photo? It's where the pilot sits, so he can see. We lost Jenny. She's been searched. She's getting extra security checks because she looks dodgy. Shady. Shady lady. Very physical. It's ramped, isn't it? Super ramped. Super duper ramped. There's a laboratory behind it. Oh, lucky for you. There's no Wi-Fi.
Sugar, I think you're confused. I'm looking for the Wi-Fi code.
No, it doesn't exist because there's no Wi-Fi. This is one of the older planes.
Right, I need to get off. Okay. I'll have a nice
trip. I'll see you later. And that's what we're meant to do.
Entertain yourself with no internet for 9 hours.
I need to go.
You need to get
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got please to remain seated as we get the amount of telephone until we come to the position of the buffer. Thank you.
The shuttle will be departing momentarily from
One to fake monorail.
To fake monorail.
They are cursing us like we curse.
Oh, when we're leaving.
They're sleeping.
Cannot even. Nathan decided he's allergic to travelling.
I'm allergic to planes. There's something in planes that sets me off.
Well, we've arrived at our favourite walk, Jenny. And we are here. I can't see because I'm up. Jenny's here too. So we're going to try and find the car.
We've gone the wrong way because it's tradition that we have to put a vlog out.
Yeah, we have to come through the wall and then... Yeah.
Find that way. That's the way then. Welcome to my crib. We're getting the car.
We're picking up the car. Jenny's sorting the car. We're just here for the ride. That's where you go for the Magical Express. That's where we went last time. We're not on property this time. Jenny's saying words. So we have to vlog because this is new. We're picking our car.
Just left on there.
They just left then.
Like, yeah, go pick your car. Here's on dash.
We've only got an economy car. Because Jen didn't want to hire a minivan. What is a flatbed? Ah. So we thought we'd vlog this because it's completely new to us, and somehow, even though we've come here thousands and thousands of times, we still do new stuff.
It's like walking through sludge.
Yeah, it's very humid.
Jen, are you sure? She said, I thought she said
She did say behind the minivans.
mid-size, I swear she did.
What just happened?
So Jenny booked an economy car, and as we were walking past, she went, go and look behind the minivans and pick a mid-size. And I was like, mid-size the next one up, but I didn't want to assume. And then I went, Jen, go and ask. And she went and asked, she went, oh, we've not had that many people rent economy cars, so go pick a mid, go and you've got another right.
So we got this beaut.
I want the flatbed.
Nathan wants the flatbed. This is beautiful.
This is what we were going to if we didn't have... It's not the Chevrolets of the Epcot cars, but we can't believe how much room is in this.
Oh my
car.
Going up or down?
Can't even.
You was going up then, kid.
Up now?
Yeah. What, man? It's so warm though. It's like walking through hot soup. You can tell the storms are on the way.
Yeah, you can.
But we're gonna go find the hotel now, so
Yeah. So
see you in a bit.
you gotta put the thing in. We got cooked.
So when they said there was gonna be storms, we've already seen about like 5 strikes of lightning. You scared?
No, I want the sunshine.
So this is the room.
Hurt me now.
I just saw someone run past. Hi. He's stupid.
I don't come in your room, I just come through Nathan's room.
Just come in Nathan's room. Mirror? This is a wardrobe.
It's the giant
Safe? Ooh! Did you see that? This is a pretty funky view actually. I didn't show you what we was wearing. I got my Mickey Mouse top on. That's Craig's bottom.
I got a New York t-shirt on.
No one cares.
Oh.
It's not Disney. But that's Craig's bed and that's my bed.
No,
Can you hear the thunder?
I'm not happy that we got separate beds.
I am.
Oh.
And then this is Jenny's bedroom.
Hi, everybody.
Jenny's got the sofa bed. And you could.
I have.
But we've got loads of room, like loads of room. This hotel will not stay this tidy.
Need this sort of hotel on International Drive.
Yeah. So we're gonna head to International Drive to go to Denny's because we've missed Denny's.
We need
We have this Denny's.
It's been a whole 5 months since we had Denny's. And then we're gonna try and hit the outlets, just have a wander around, stay awake. Because if we go to bed now, we're gonna be up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. So that's no good. We got a glass elevator. Or a glass thingy.
Oh, pool looks nice.
Pool's heated. The bar is happy hour at 5 till 6.
Yep. And it's free.
And it's free beer and
Free.
wine.
Beer and wine. So we're going to come back every day at 5.
Just to get hammered.
Especially.
Jenny can't get hammered because Jenny has to drive. But here, Denny's.
Food time. Food
I'm having that. Focus. I'm having the bourbon bacon burger. Craig's having the bourbon skillet. He's forgot to vlog. Bad Craig.
Number 1 rule.
Vlog before God.
Vlog before God, but I've already demolished my burger. Like, hammered it. We were that hungry when it turned up, we just ate it, didn't we?
You've dug straight in.
But it's beautiful as always.
It's gorgeous.
Nice.
That's nice to meet you.
So we took a detour back to the hotel.
Did we?
Oh no, this is where we were originally coming. We're in the carriage warehouse. What you found? Focus.
I guess you look at all of this.
Timber.
And then I didn't like the old style Grand Floridian pin, and then I found this one.
Yeah. There we go.
Found this one, and I'm getting this one. Then
Jen's getting them to
Jen's getting
trade.
them to trade.
There is some cool stuff, but as it's our first night, we're just sort of like having a wonder. All the Halloween stuff.
I'm gutted about that shirt.
Which one? Oh, the one.
No, what about it?
Some pretty cool stuff, isn't there? 40. Gracias. Ah, this is my alien. I'ma call him Bob.